This setup video is for the Lincoln S350. Turn the machine on with that switch right there. After boot up, do all of the rest of the controlling up here on the main screen. For solid wire, we want to search for the program number by turning this knob to program 11. 11 gives us a steel wire, solid steel wire, 0.35 inch diameter. And we have a few options that we can choose. We can push this left button to choose a pinch, which we would want to say off. The right button, we want it on two-step mode. Okay, if you were wanting to change that, you'd turn this, but we don't need to worry about that. Two-step mode. Pre-flow time set to off. Run-in off. Start time off. Spot timer off. Crater time off. Burn back time can be 04 to 05. Post flow off. And then it repeats the process, so at that point just hit the other button. Get back to the main screen, and it's already got us on an argon mix gas. At this point we can set the wire feed speed on this side. So if we want to go to 250 there, 250 inches per minute. And then we have the voltage knob over here. When I go to turn the voltage knob, there'll be a dash that lights up. So if I go here, it's saying that I'm above the recommended voltage, and here I'm below the recommended voltage. So as I slowly change this upwards, that dash will eventually pause or go away at 18, which means that that's the recommended setting that Lincoln has for 250 inches a minute. So 250 and 18. If I was a little above, if I went to 18.5, it's saying it's a little high, but I can weld with that if I need to. So we'll set it back here to 18 and 250 on the Lincoln machine. Once again, it has a flow meter, so we want to choose the 75-25 gas. Here's the flow meter, and on the outside of the machine here is the purge button. So this one on this side runs wire out. We don't want that, we want the purge button. So if we hit this button here, the flow, that ball shows the flow at 20 to 25 or 25 to 30. So it's sitting about 26 right now. We read that number on the left side of that. When I let go, it goes down. In order to change the gas, if let's say it was over here on this red one, you push the blue knob up and insert. So if it was on the red, which is a 90-10 gas, I push the blue collar up and pull that out, and then over here I just push it in, straight in, and it locks in.